We know that you have a very good vibrato. We know that. But violin vibrato is one of those subjects where there is always the chance to get some more development or slight improvement or even possible ideas for variations. And that's why I draw your attention to our violin vibrato trainer by Professor Beth Blackerby. The course is 4 hours long if we count all the 15 chapters and all the 43 videos. What you don't have to start learning from right away from the chapter 1, then chapter 2, chapter 3, you can put your attention and jump from chapter to chapter, just choosing what is best for you. For example, everyone can have interest in reducing range of motion. And reducing range of motion consists of 6 videos. The first one is about reducing range with wrist motion. Let's see what Professor Blackerby says.
And we're going to start to shift, though, a little bit of weight from one finger to the other. So let's say you're just going to do fingers 1 and 2. Then what you'll do is you'll be sliding with just 1 and 2 on the string. And then as you go about the exercise, you add just a hair's worth of pressure to one finger. So I'm going to add about 5% pressure to my first finger, but my second finger there'll be no pressure on my second finger. It's just going along for the ride. I'm targeting first finger. The motions are smaller, so the sliding sound is quicker.
Then we have more, let's say, universal arguments like consistent vibrato while changing bow speed or speeding up the vibrato. So let's have a look at consistent vibrato while changing bow speed.
The most important thing now is just wiring for more independence. So the first will look something like this, the first half of the next exercise. I'll be using more or less the same amount of bow. I'm just changing bow speed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's hard, okay? It's even hard for me.
Probably you've already noticed that every video we have on the platform, everyone, promos, tutorials, lessons, masterclass, courses, whatever, is provided with subtitles. If you click on the link, you will land to this page where you find the description of the different sections of our academy, masterclasses, courses, collections and musical jewels, and you will also find a sort of guided tour through our content, plus a special YouTube viewers discount. You can even subscribe as a free member and get the first collection of masterclasses and courses. It's all free content, so you can just sign up and start studying with us right away. See you on iClassical Academy. Thank you for watching.